Hello everyone, thanks for choosing the ASC. Today's tutorial will be on how to use the ASC CD mobile application once you have already downloaded and successfully connected it to your device. If you have not done it yet, please refer to our first tutorial where the connecting the ASC CD application to the ASC unit can be found. Now, when opening the app, you will see the home page, which shows the levels of cleaning liquids and water. Here also is a message board. Please note that the application supports up to 4 shower cleaning units, and the message board will report back each shower cleaning unit's current status, whether it's operational or disabled. Next, you go to the Unit 1 page. Here on this page you see the manual start, e-stop, message board and all sorts of buttons, which I'll explain in a minute. Here the message board is different from the homepage message board. Here it gives you very clear instructions on how to set up the rotary head nozzle levels based on your shower enclosure size. Type hello and you'll see the instructions here. Here also is the calendar feature, which gives you the flexibility to schedule the frequency of cleanings, and I'll record a separate tutorial on how to use this feature. But today, topic will be rotary head nozzle adjustment based on the individual shower enclosure dimensions. First of all, do not press the manual start button yet. In other words, do not start the cleaning cycle until you've adjusted the rotary nozzle level suitable for your shower. As we all know, no shower enclosure is the same size. They have different cleaning ceiling heights, different dimensions, curtain heights, and so on. But don't you worry, this user interface feature is specifically designed for variety size showers in mind. And I'll show you how it works. The first thing you do is to activate the service mode. It can be done by removing the base unit's removable heads from the liquid cartridges. The head's illumination display will turn blue. Blue LED light indicates that the ASC is on the service mode, and now you are ready for rotary head nozzle adjustment. You can do that by pressing L setting button till the shower head's illuminating display flashes multiple colored LED lights. It indicates readiness for setting up the rotary nozzle top level, and to do so, press the top L button. At this point, the rotary head will start descending from the ceiling. Keep pressing till the desirable level is achieved. Once you have the level suitable for your shower, then you can release it based on your visual reference, and this is the level where the shower cleaner will start spraying the liquid. Please allow about 10 cm tolerance from the top level of the curtain to avoid liquid splashing. If you are not happy with the result, press the e-stop and the rotary nozzle will retract to the home position, and then start the setting up process from the beginning by pressing the L setting button, waiting for the LED flashing lights, and then start pressing top L level and wait till it descends to the desirable level, and so on. Once you are happy with the rotary nozzle top level, then you need to set up the rotary nozzle bottom level by pressing the bottom L button. And keep pressing. At this point, rotary head will resume descending, and you can release the button once the desirable level is achieved. Again, based on your visual reference. Please make sure that there is about 10 cm distance between the rotary head and the bottom level of the shower enclosure. Once you are happy with the result, press and hold the L save button until the red LED light appears in the shower head's illuminating display. It confirms that your settings are saved, and next press e-stop and rotary nozzle will retract to the home position. Once the rotary nozzle top and bottom levels are adjusted, Return the base unit's removable heads to liquid cartridges to deactivate the service mode. Now you can commence the first test run by pressing the manual start button to run the very first cleaning cycle. By doing that, you check the rotary nozzle operating range you've just set up, and also to fill up the system with liquids. When doing the test run, bear in mind the ASC safety features, such as detecting a human presence as a safety precaution when it operates, and ensure you are out of its range during the test run, approximately 1.5 meters away. The unit safety range adjustment and other features will be discussed in our next tutorial. Now, next feature here is to set up the rotary nozzle spray rate. Here you see RS-1, RS+1 buttons. You might not need to use it, as the factory setting will cope with 1 meter over 1 meter shower enclosure. However, based on your shower enclosure dimensions, you can increase the pressure by pressing RS+1 and decrease the spray rate by pressing RS-1. This feature is only active and can be adjusted when the ASC is spraying the liquid. Also, be aware that one press of the button at the time will increase the pressure by 1 unit. Don't need to press it continuously. You can always revert to the factory settings by pressing the RS reset button. Please ensure that once the ASC unit is operational, the shower curtains or shower screens are fully closed to avoid splashing for safety reasons. Unit 2, 3 and 4 schedule the same way.